Hi. So today I'm going to provide you 3 tips by which you can start on a diet plan in order to reduce your chronic pain or inflammation in your body. Hi, my name is Prashant, and please like and subscribe this channel so that I can make more such videos for you which can help you to lead a better and healthy life. Now let's start with tip number 1. The tip number 1 is start your day powerfully. So how do you do that? What does that mean? So, we sleep the entire night and our bodies work the entire night in digesting our food, removing acidity from our bodies, sweating it out, and also rejuvenating our entire body. So it's doing a lot of work in the night. So when you get up in the morning, you need to, replenish all the resources that have been consumed in the body. What do you do for that? So the first thing is just have a lot of water, and if possible, add some lime to it. Okay, so have around 2 to 3 glasses of water, add some lime to it. It alkalizes your body. It immediately replenishes, that alkalinity which you have lost while doing all the digestion in the night. Okay, so have 2 to 3 glasses of water, followed by a fruit. So start your day with a fruit. It could be any fruit, any seasonal fruit. So depending upon where you are staying in right now, so have the local fruit that you can have. So a lot of people ask me, I'm a diabetic, and I can't, I don't, can I take an apple, or can I take a let's say a mango? So I would say go for those fruits which are really suiting you. For example, papayas, or apples, okay, or pears, or berries, or these are some of the fruits that you can have which are low on sugar content but also very good for your body. What does that do? It immediately jumpstarts your liver. Okay, so liver is the organ that is very, very crucial for digesting all our food, and basically an inflammation control in your body. Okay, so it's like a control center which controls all the inflammation in your body. So it jumpstarts the liver as soon as you have a fruit. Okay, so have a fruit right after drinking your water, and then you can start with your breakfast plan. Now what do we do with the breakfast plan? So have a warm breakfast, eat in moderation. Now some people after having a fruit will not feel like having a breakfast. So it's definitely fine if you are not feeling like eating, then not eat. Okay, so eat only when you're hungry. That's the cardinal rule. Eat when you're hungry. Don't stuff yourself. Don't overstuff yourself. You don't need to have 3 meals a day. Or we have been fed with all these wrong notions about food, that we need to have 3 meals a day or 6 meals a day. Or no, you just need to have a meal when you're feeling hungry. And it is very important to feel the hunger at least twice a day. So you might feel it in the morning. Okay, so as soon as you have a fruit, then that hunger might subside, and you might feel the hunger in later in the afternoon and in early evenings. So it's perfectly fine to have 2 meals a day. Okay, you don't need to eat 3 meals a day. So try to work on yourself to get on to 2 to 3 meals, whichever way. Light meals, moderation, and eat very slowly. Chew your food. All your digestion happens in your mouth, so chew a lot. All your digestion, most of the digestion happens through your saliva, which contains the essential enzymes for digestion. So chew your food at least 12-15 times before you gulp it down. Okay, so understand that. And yes, eat a lot of plant-based diet. Okay, no, I'm not against animal-based diet, but having a plant-based diet gives you a lot more of calcium, lot more of iron, lot more of vitamin D, and all from natural sources. So the green plants like spinach, kale, fenugreek, or broccoli. So all the green plants, rocket leaves. So make a salad out of it, or use it in your curries, or use it in your various other sides. Okay, so but have them a lot in your meals. So have a plant-based diets, and also make have get used to making salads out of these leaves. Okay, and also add your favorite fruit into your salad. So that's a very good combination, and you can season it with some lime, with some pepper, with some salt. So that's a very good meal in itself. So again, I'll repeat the three tips. Start your day powerfully, hydrate yourself, and drink a lot of water. Have a fruit, eat in moderation, eat only when you're hungry, and third, eat a lot of plant-based diets. So I hope you really like this video, and let me know if you want to know more about what are the diet tips that you can have. I'll be covering fasting, I'll be covering sleep in my future videos. So till then, live powerfully, live healthy, and try and reduce your pain through your food, because that's what you're consuming 3 times a day. Lots of love to you.